Somebody said public sector has more security. I want to leave private sector. It's too volatile. It's pretty volatile.
It is, but you take less money. But two is the pension. Like I said, I was thinking about maybe going back to the state, take a little less money, maybe. Of course, I'm happy with my job, but take a little less money. In 10 years, I have a partial because when you old, you got to figure out how you're gonna live, man. So the cool thing though is, what's your thoughts on this? Is you can do GRC till you black out, man. I don't even put clothes on anymore, man. I don't even come off camera anymore, man. I get on, I be talking like I'm on YouTube. My fault, team. I'm struggle streaming today. How y'all doing? Here's my SSP. Here's my documents. I'm doing some positive. Hell, I can do that till I'm 80, man. So I don't know. So I've been thinking about just GRC till I die, man. You make good money. It's not stressful. I can sneak the laptop on a Virgin Cruise and work from anywhere. Hold on, let me take that back though. Is VPN does not hide your location. I just want to throw that out there for you.
Thanks for letting me know.
Well, it does, but what happens is, and I told them, shout out to Black Heights, is when you booting your machine up, we take your location before you log on to VPN. We log you out after 12 hours to take your location. So when you log back in, so every time you logging in, we taking your location. So that's why VPN cannot hide where you at. Everybody goes, it can hide. Yeah, it can, but you got to boot it up and start it up. Before you do that, we're taking your location. Go ahead. What's your thoughts on or could GRC tell you 90? Go ahead.
Yeah, it looks that way. I'm trying to move into more of a teaching space because I found that's what I'm really good at is teaching and writing. Those are my best skills. If I can get away from the government a bit, that's my plan. I don't know if I'll be able to. I get out and then they keep pulling me back in.
Real quick, the professor part is I taught 10 years out of community college. You don't make jack. That was actually my dinner money compared to what you make in GRC. Because
yes, you're right.
To make real money, right? You got to be a doctor because you're not me. I did it as a hobby. I was an adjunct. So I ended up making $30, $40 an hour, but you don't work that many hours. It was dinner money, man. I was eating some Wagyu steak with that money. I couldn't live on that money. But I enjoyed teaching. Shout out to brothers. I passed a couple people I shouldn't pass. So, I liked them. I said, get it together, young man. Get it together. But yeah, I taught at community college for 10 years. And then we had a disagreement when the new regime came in. But I enjoyed it. But you ain't going to make a living at that. That's all I'm saying, man. I really enjoyed it. And two, now it's automated. I did Canvas and some of the bigger LMS things. And it's cool. The test grade themselves now. So I would lecture. Now you lecture online. The cool thing I did is I did a virtual assignment. We used to go to the IC2 security remote through. So I make all my class go there once a month. I said, go there, introduce yourself. I knew some guys there. So you can get at least, it's 3 hours. At least stay for an hour. I'm going to take a screenshot of your name and send it to me. So I was doing virtual field trips. So when I left, it was like, we loved your virtual field trips. I'm like, I would tell y'all to go and I would go eat dinner. I wouldn't even go. Go ahead. But yeah, I love teaching. You just can't make any real money at it.